Good evening. So it's the 25th of December and we all love a bit of 25th of December and we all love a bit of SKIDMAS, because if you don't know what SKIDMAS is about, get to know, because on SKIDMAS, guess what we do? We go skidding. Also, got some extra bits, got the new So Slow banner. We'll put that up later. You can see it all. Avaganders. Be fun. This is a interval vlog for in between doing my car and doing the wheels for the car. So I'll give you a quick look at them so far. Obviously it's been Christmas, things have been slow, so I haven't really been down. It's been busy, family time, it's all good. But that is the rims, obviously the lips. I've sanded them down, I've polished it a bit, but I'm gonna get a proper buffing kit to give it a all-round go over. So like you can see it's all right, it's looking good. Also, by the way, this is being recorded on my new GoPro Hero 11. Shout out the misso for the really sick Christmas gift. Like, it's nice to have people around you that support you and that want to be a part of what you are doing, you know, just being there. It's honestly, there's not a feeling like it. It's fucking beautiful. I can't shout out enough, but big up the missus, she's amazing. Anyway, enough of that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the windscreen of the IS and apply some Rain-X to it, and so any rain and all the rest of it. As you can see, the unit cat has quite kindly been on the roof of my car, dragging his tail about and bits, but you know, it's sitting in here a bit dusty. We're gonna go out, link up with some boys in Lee, and yeah, I'll get some footage, do some B-roll, we'll have a good time. obviously, you know, as I gave the brief that my missus bought me a really nice GoPro, I thought, you know, obviously the time lapse that you've just seen, I've mounted to here. I thought, yeah, man, obviously I'm not quite etiquette with it. I've just unclipped it and launched it at my gear knob, my hydro handbrake and the dash, and I think I might have damaged the screen. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. However, we digress. I'm a clumsy idiot. However, so like no one wanted to come out, so we've come up Rivington for a bit of a nice one. You know, you might be able to see some stars, you might not. There's a Focus ST there, that's the missus. Say hello, thank her all for the gift. However, yeah, so your boy's a bit of a pleb, but we're gonna clip you back up there and hopefully not drop you, and do some skids. so that's the end of our adventures. I think my battery's fucked because I'm getting a charge of 14 when I'm driving, and then yeah, and then I'm not when I'm stopped. I think me diff is fucked, or one of my drive shafts is, and we'll have a look at that after. But you know, seems alright, I guess. Absolutely battered it, limited it in first, I don't know why, but I do enjoy second gear skid, and I'm not that good at skidding. Like, I'm half decent, I guess, but I aim to build good builds and stuff. But we're about to get in the unit and probably hear the cat meow at us, and put the car away for the evening and go home and call that a lovely SKIDMAS, basically. Oh, and it's skid lube for the evening, I guess. But yeah, all in. I think the GoPro does bits. Like, it does really good. Like, I enjoy it a lot. Like, the fucking everything gets wet because it's raining. But yeah, the cat, he is meowing away. I think he wants feeding, but I've already fed him today. It's not my cat, I must add. He's just a cat that appeared one day, and the lads in the unit took him in. But we love him all the same because he's a cat, isn't he? But yeah. It is what it is. But I'm not gonna lie, this GoPro does some cool stuff and is very, very awesome for doing this, for vlogging, because I can't wait to do some B-roll bits with it, some more driving bits with it, driving to shows, things like that. Like, for example, like, I'm gonna have a word with one of the lads in the unit to see if he wants me to mention him on any part of this, like, you know, and put his car into it. I painted the bay on his car, if it gives you any tips and tricks, but he's put an awful lot of effort into it, and it's a very nice car. It's like not one that you see at the sort of calibre that he's set up in general. And again, I'm going to ask another one of the lads, in fact, to be honest, I'm going to ask a lot of them to just do an overview of their cars, like some really cool cars. And yes, we know some really cool cars, and yeah, they need to be seen by the world. They're beautiful, and the lads, bless them, they put so much effort into the cars, they really have. But it'll probably be, next video will be one of them, video after, and so on and so forth, and I'll do the cars while I'll look at their cars whilst I've cracked on with me lips and me barrels, and then I'm going to set paint booth up, and you know, we'll go from there. But all round, we do bits.